Welcome to Learn Yourself. Page number 94, try this. List 10 figures around you and identify the acute less than 90-degree angle, obtuse greater than 90-degree angle, and right angle which is 90-degree found in them. So here I have listed some of the objects which we can see around us. So this is a table. As you can see, this shows right angle 90-degree. In between two blades of fan, this angle is greater than 90-degree. So this is obtuse angle. In a pizza slice, this angle is less than 90-degree. So this is acute angle. In a star, the interior angle is less than 90-degree. So that is acute angle. In a TV, this angle shows 90-degree. All the four angles of TV will show 90-degree. When clock shows 9 o'clock, this is right angle 90-degree. When clock shows 10 o'clock, then this is acute angle less than 90-degree. When clock shows 1:50 a.m. or p.m. 10 minutes to 2 o'clock, at that time this angle is obtuse. Now for stars, when we are checking the exterior angle, then this is obtuse. When it is interior angle, it is acute. When it is exterior angle, it is obtuse. Any box has 90-degree angle, right angle. So these are some of the examples which shows the acute, obtuse and right angles. Page number 95, try this sum. Which pair of following angles are complementary? So we know that when we are saying that these angles are complementary, that means the addition of these two angles should be 90-degree. The addition of two angles should be 90-degree. Then they are said to be complementary. So we have to check whether the addition of all these angles are giving us 90-degree or not. If it is giving 90-degree, then they are complementary. Otherwise, they are not. So let us check for the first example. Here we have two angles, 70-degree and 20-degree. We have two measures. Let us add them, 70-degree and 20-degree. So yes, our answer is 90-degree. That means they are complementary. Second example. We have two measures here, 75-degree and 25-degree. Let us add them. 75-degree plus 25-degree will give us 100-degree. So they are not complementary angle. Third example. Here we have two measures, that is 48-degree and 52-degree. So let us add them. 48-degree plus 52-degree will give us 100-degree. It is not 90-degree, so these two angles are not complementary. Fourth example. 35-degree and 55-degree. So let us add them, both the measures, and we will see that whether we will get 90-degree or not. So yes, we do get here 90-degree, so they are complementary angles. Second question. What is the measure of complement of each of the following angles? So they have given us first angle. We have to find out the measure of second angle. Then these two angles will satisfy the condition of complementary angles. So let us solve the first one, that 45-degree angle we have. So 45-degree angle and another measure we have to find out. Together they should give us 90-degree. Then only they will be complementary angles. So let us find out the value for x. So x equals to 90-degree minus 45-degree. So x equals to 45-degree. So other angles measure is 45-degree. Second, 65-degree is first angle. We have to find out measure for second angle. So 65 plus x equals to 90-degree. let us find out the value for x. So 90 degree minus 65 degree. So x equals to, we will get 25 degree. So second angle's measure is 25 degree. Third, 41 degree. So 41 degree plus x equals to 90 degree. X equals to 90 degree minus 41 degree will give us value for x, or the second angle's value is 49 degree. So when you will add these two angles, that 41 degree and 49 degree, they will give you answer 90 degree. That means they are complementary angles. Fourth, 54 degree. Now 54 degree plus another angle should give us 90 degree. So x equals to 90 degree minus 54 degree will give us x equals to 36 degree. So this is measure for second angle. Third question. The difference in the measures of two complementary angle is 12 degree. Find the measures of angles. First information what they have given is two complementary angles. So we have two complementary angles, angle Y and angle X. We have two angles here. They are complementary. That means X plus Y should give us 90 degree in total. Now they are saying that the difference in the measure is 12 degree. Difference means when we will subtract one angle from another one, it should give us 12 degree. Now let us add these two equations. We have these two equations with us, equation 1 and equation 2. When we are adding these two equations, we will get x plus y equals to 90 degree. And another equation we will write x minus y equals to 12 degree. So let us add them. Then plus y and minus y, we can cancel it out and we will get x plus x equals to 2x equals to 2. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have added these two equation and we got another equation that 2x equals to 102 degree. So now let us use this equation that 2x equals to 102 degree and we will find out the value for x. So x equals to 102 divided by 2. We will get here 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So 51. So x equals to 51 degree. So this is our first answer, that angle x is 51 degree. Now let us put this x equals to 51 degree value in any of this equation. You can substitute x value in any of these two equation and you will get the value for y. So x plus y equals to 90 degree. Now x we know it is 51 degree plus y equals to 90 degree. So y equals to, we will get 90 degree minus 51 degree. So y equals to, we will get here 39 degree. So this will be our second angle. So we got two angles here, x is 51 degree and y is 39 degree. You can cross check this with our equation that together addition of these angles will give us 90 degree and when you will subtract them, you will get difference of 12 degree. Page number 96, try these sums. Question number 1. Find the pairs of supplementary angles. When we are finding supplementary angles, what we have to check? Two angles measure, we have to add them and we have to check whether they will give us 180 degree or not. If they are giving 180 degree, then they are said to be supplementary angles. So here in first example, two measures we have, that is 110 and 50 degree. Let us add them. So 110 degree plus 50 degree will give us 160 degree. So it is not 180 degree. That's why they are not supplementary angles. Second example, we have two measures that 105 and 65. So let us add them. 105 degree plus 65 degree Together they will give us 170 degree, but it is not 180 degree. So no, they are not supplementary angles. Third, first angle's measure is 50 degree and second angle's measure is 130 degree. Together they will give us 180 degree, and yes, they are supplementary angles. Fourth, first angle's measure is 45 degree and second angle's measure is also 45 degree. So together it will give us 90 degree. Here we have to check for the supplementary angles, and condition for the supplementary angles is it has to be 180 degree. The addition of two angles has to be 180 degree. And here it is not 180 degree. So they are not supplementary angles. Page number 97, try these sums. Question number 2. What will be the measure of supplement of each one of the following angles? So one angle's measure they have given here, and second angle's measure we have to find out, so that the addition of this two angle will give us 180 degree. So let us find the measure of second angle. So here we have 100 degree. So 100 degree plus second angle's measure we are assuming that is x. Together they should give us 180 degree. So x equals to, we will get here 180 minus 100. So x equals to second angle's measure is 80 degree. So when the first angle is 100 degree, second angle is 80 degree, then they are said to be supplementary. Second angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus, let us assume the second angle, that is x. Together they should give us 180 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 90 will give us x equals to 90 degree. So this will be the measure of second angle. Third, 55 degree. So we have to find out the angles whose addition with 55 degree angle should give us 180 degree. So let us guess the second angle x. It should give us 180 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 55 will give us x equals to 125 degree. Fourth, 125 degree. Here third and fourth both are opposite to each other. When first angle is 55 degree, the second angle is 125 degree. When first angle is 125 degree, obviously the second angle will be 55 degree. Let us see that. 125 plus x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 125 degree, x equals to, we will get 55 degree. Third question. Among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 44 degree, more than the measure of smaller. Find their measures. So here we have to find out two measures of the angles which are supplementary to each other. So let us assume our two angles. We know that they are supplementary to each other, as they have said that two supplementary angles. We have assumed x and y. So let us write x plus y will give us 180 degree. Now they have given another information that there are two angles. One is larger and one is smaller. So larger angle will be x and smaller angle. Now the measure of larger angle is 44 degree more than the smaller angle. So larger angle is 44 degree more. So here I can also write that y plus 44, because it is larger than smaller angle by 44 degree. So now we have two angles, that y plus 44 and y. This will be our two angles. Now we have to find out their measure. So let us make equation. So our equation will be x plus y equals to 180 degree. But x equals to, we have written here y plus 44. So let us substitute the value for x. So it will be y plus 44 degree plus y equals to 180 degree. So this is our equation and this we are going to solve it. So we will get here y plus 44 plus y equals to 180 degree. So 2y equals to 180 degree minus 44, as we are taking this plus 44 towards other side. So we will get here 2y equals to 136. So y equals to, we will get 136 divided by 2 equals to, we will get 68. So now the smaller angle is 68. Smaller angle equals to y equals to 68. Now larger angle is equals to y plus 44. So we will get 112. So we have here two angles, smaller and larger. One is having measure of 68 degree and second is having measure 112 degree. Page number 98, try these sums. In given figure 5.10, are these following angles adjacent angles or not, that we have to find out. So for example A and B, we have to check that whether they are adjacent angle or not. And for that, we will check all the three conditions. If all the three conditions are fulfilled by these two angles, then they are adjacent angles. So let us start with first example, angle AOB. So here we are talking about this angle and angle BOC. So this is going to be our second angle. Let us check our first condition, common vertex. Yes, they do have common vertex and that is O. Then second, common arm. OB is common arm in between these two angles. So OB is common arm in between these two angles. Then third condition is non-common arms on either side of common arm. So yes, non-common arms are OC and OA. They both are on either side of this common arm. OA and OC both are non-common arm which are on either side of common arm. So all the three conditions are fulfilled. So yes, they are adjacent angles or they are adjacent to each other. Second example, angle BOD. So angle BOD, we are talking about this complete angle, and angle BOC, and we are talking about this angle. So now let us check all the condition. First condition is common vertex. So yes, they do have common vertex in between them. So yes, common vertex is there. Then common arm. This both angle, in this both angle BOD is a complete angle, as you can see here. This is a complete angle, but out of this angle BOC is a part of this angle BOD. As you can see, it is still here and this angle is full. So basically angle BOC is a part of angle BOD. So they do not have common arm, and that's why non-common arms are also not there. So these angles are not adjacent angle. Page number 99, try this sum. Check which of the following pairs of angles form a linear pair. Now what is the meaning of linear pair? Linear pair means when we are adding two angles measure, they should give us 180 degree in total. Or we can say that the angles in linear pair are supplementary. So this is a condition which we have to keep in mind. Now let us take first example. So we have to add this to measure. So 40 degree plus 140 degree. will give us 180 degree. So yes, they are linear pair. And one more thing which we can check for the linear pair is when these two angles will be together, they will give us a straight line in any combination, but when these two angles will be together, they will give us straight line, and then they are going to give us 180 degree. So that's why they are known as linear pair. So yes, the angles which are there in first example, they are linear pair. Second example, so measure 60 degree plus 90 degree. So it is giving us 150 degree. So no, they are not forming linear pair, and as you can see here, these two angles are not giving us any of the straight line. So no, they are not forming linear pair. Third example, measure 90 degree and 80 degree. Together they will give us 170 degree. So no, they are not forming linear pair. Fourth example, as you can see from the figure itself that they are forming a straight line together. So let us check measure wise. So first angle is 115 degree plus we are adding 65 degree. So together they are going to give us 180 degree. So yes, they are forming linear pair. Page number 101, try this sum. In given figure, if angle 1 is 30 degree, find angle 2 and 3. So this measure we know, and that is 30 degree. So angle 2 and 3 we have to find out. Now here we know that these two lines are intersecting each other, and by this we are getting vertically opposite angle. So here we can say that angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. And what is the reason for that? Because they are vertically opposite angle. As they are vertically opposite angles, their measure are similar, and because of that angle 3's measure is also 30 degree. Now here you can see that angle 3 and angle 2, they both are forming linear pair as they are on the straight line. So they both are forming a linear pair. So I can write here that angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Now I do not know the measure of angle 2, but I do know the measure of angle 3. So 30 degree equals to 180 degree. Now angle 2 equals to 180 minus 30, we will get angle 2 equals to 150 degree. So here we got the answer for both the angles, that angle 3 is 30 degree, angle 2 is 150 degree. And similarly angle 2, and if angle 4 is also there, then they both are also vertically opposite angle. So measure of these two angles will also be equal. They have not asked for it, but if they have asked, then we can write angle 4's measure is 150 degree. Page number 101, try this sum. Give an example of vertically opposite angles in your surrounding. So here I have given some of the example. You can take pair of scissors where these angles are vertically opposite to each other. Also windmill, these angles are vertically opposite to each other. Crossroad, these angles are vertically opposite to each other. Then in fourth example, the road signs where these angles are vertically opposite to each other. So these are some of the examples where we can show that these angles are vertically opposite to each other, and that's why their measures will be same. Page number 104, try this sum. First question is, find examples from your surroundings where lines intersect at right angles. So here I have mentioned television, chair and table. You can also write dishwasher or washing machine or anything which has a shape of square or rectangle. They all will give you the right angle or 90-degree angle. Second question, find the measures of angles made by intersecting line at vertices of an equilateral triangle. So here these are the vertices and this is our equilateral triangle. Now the property of equilateral triangle is the measure of all the angles are same. So angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C. If I'll give name here, then A, B and C. They all have same measure, so I am guessing the measure is X. When I am adding all this measure, it will give me 180 degree in total. I have already guessed the angles measure, that is X. So I can take X for all the three angles. So X plus X plus X equals to 180 degree. Now I can add all this 3x. So it is 3x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 degree divided by 3 will give me 60 degree. So measure of the angle or all the angle is 60 degree. So angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C will give me 60 degree. Question 3. Draw any rectangle and find the measure of angles at the four vertices made by intersecting line. So here they are making 90-degree angle when they are intersecting with each other. So the measure of all the angles are 90 degree. If two lines intersect, do they always intersect at right angle? So no, it is not necessary that lines always intersect at right angle. The lines may form an acute angle. Another angle will be obtuse as to form a linear pair. So when two lines will be there and if they are not intersecting each other at right angle, then one angle will be acute like this and another angle will be obtuse like this. So together they will form a linear pair. But it is not necessary that they will always intersect at right angle. This case will not be possible every time. So they may intersect at different angle. Page number 105, try these sums. We have to answer some of the questions. Suppose two lines are given. How many transversal can you draw from these lines? So we can draw infinite transversal from these two lines. Suppose two lines are like this. This is line L and this is line M. So we can draw many transversal from this. So all these lines T1, T2 and T3, they are transversal and we can draw infinite transversal from two lines. Second question. If a line is a transversal to three lines, how many points of intersection are there? If there are three lines, then 3 points of intersection will be there. So these are my three lines and the T is transversal. So here you can see that there are three different points where this transversal T is intersecting all these three lines at three different points. Third question. Try to identify a few transversals in your surrounding. So first, electric wire lines, poles act as a transversal line. Second, when two roadways are parallel, if another roadway cuts it, it acts as a transversal. So these are some of the examples for transversal. Page number 106, try these sums. Name the pairs of angles in each figure. Now if you have any doubt regarding this, these angles are made by transversal on parallel lines. So if you have any doubt in this topic, you can refer my video based on angles made by transversal on parallel lines. So you can refer that video for any of your doubt. Let us solve this. First is, in first example, there are two angles. One angle is here and second angle is here. So these two angles are pair of corresponding angles. Then second, here third angle is there and here fourth angle is there. This both angles are interior angles and they are not on the same side. They are diagonally opposite to each other. So that's why they are alternate. Interior and alternate. So they are pair of alternate interior angles. Now third example. Here angle 5th and angle 6th. These two angles are on the same side of transversal and they are interior. So they are pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now 7 and 8 angle, these angles are at the same position on different line. So they are pair of corresponding angles. Now angle 9 and 10, they are interior angles but they are diagonally opposite to each other, so they are alternate. So they are alternate and interior. So they are pair of alternate interior angles. Angle 11 and 12, they both are towards the exterior part, so they are exterior angles. Number 109, try these sums. Here they are saying that line L and M both are parallel. T is a transversal. So what will be the measure of angle X? Now as you can see here they have given the measure of the angle, that is 60 degree. Now 60 degree and angle X, they are alternate interior angles. So they are equal. So we can write here X equals to 60 degree. Now line A and B both are parallel to each other. Here line A is there and here line B is there. C is a transversal. This is a C and it is a transversal. What will be the measure of angle Y? Here you can see that 55 and Y, they both are interior angles. They are diagonally opposite. So they are again alternate interior angles and that's why their measures will be same. So angle Y equals to 55 degree. Another example is line L is parallel to M. So this is our line L, this is M, they both are parallel and T is transversal over here. What will be the angle X? This is angle X and that we have to find out. As you can see, 120 degree and angle X, they both are corresponding angles. And that's why their measures are same, they are equal. So that's why angle X equals to 120 degree because L is parallel to M and they are corresponding angles. Line L is parallel to line M. So these two lines are parallel and line P is parallel to line Q. Now with these four lines we have to find out measure of angle A, B, C and D. So let us start with these two angles. First angle whose measure is 60 degree and second angle whose measure is A. Now these two angles are pair of interior angles which are on the same side of transversal. So they are supplementary. As they are supplementary, 60 degree and addition of angle A should give us 180 degree in total. So angle A equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree will give us measure of angle A and that is 120 degree. So this is going to be our first answer. Now let us assume another angle that is over here and I am giving name for that angle is angle E. Now let us check the relation between angle A and angle E. They are corresponding angles to each other. So corresponding angles are always equal. So angle A will be equal to angle E as they are corresponding angles. So angle E's measure is also 120 degree. Now angle E and angle D, they both are vertically opposite angle. Angle E and angle D, they both are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal in measure. And so angle D equals to same measure as angle E, that is 120 degree. So here we got another answer that angle D equals to 120 degree. Now as you can see, angle D and angle C, they both are making linear pair. So they are supplementary. So addition of angle D and C will give us 180 degree. So here we know that angle D is 120 degree, but angle C we need to find out, and this is going to be 180 degree. So angle C equals to 180 minus 120 equals to 60 degree. So this is going to be our third answer, that is angle C equals to 60 degree. Now angle C and angle B, they both are vertically opposite angles. So that's why they both are equal. And that's why angle B equals to 60 as they are vertically opposite angle. So here we found out measure of all the angles, that angle A, angle D, angle C and angle B. Page number 110, try this sum. In this they have given us two parallel lines, line L and line M. T is our transversal. And they have shown us two angles here. Their both measures are same. And they are asking that is line L is parallel to M? Why? So here these two angles measures are same because they are alternate angles. And alternate angles are equal. So if L is parallel to M, then only these alternate angles are equal in measure. Second example. Line L and line M, this is our transversal T. First angle is this, that is 50 degree, and second angle is this, which is 130 degree. Now we have to answer that is L is parallel to M, why? Now let us find out the measure of this angle, and how we are going to find out that this 130 degree and angle X are making linear pair. And because of that, they are, when we will add them, they will give us 180 degree in total. So angle X will be equal to 180 minus 130. So we will get here measure of angle X, and that is 50 degree. Now we know that this is 50 degree. So let us write here 50 degree. And this angles, so this is our 50 degree angle. Now if we will see this angle and this angle, they are corresponding angles and they are equal. So line L is parallel to M, then only the corresponding angles are equal. And these corresponding angles are equal, and because of that L is parallel to M, that we can say. In earlier examples, what we were doing is they have given us that L is parallel to M, and then we have to find out that corresponding angles are equal. But here they have already given us this condition, and we are proving that line L is parallel to M. So in either case, if one thing has been given to us, other thing we can prove. If line is parallel, then we can prove that corresponding angles are equal, or if corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that line is parallel. Third example, X and 70 degree. Here two lines are there, lines L and M. T is our transversal. Here you can see that 70 degree and X, they are both interior angles and they are on the same side of transversal. So they are supplementary. So we can write our answer here that yes, L is parallel to M because angle X and 70 degree are supplementary. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.